interesting. I'll be intrigued to know why she's... Why are you working outside?
I didn't think you'd appreciate gold everywhere.
I love gold. You can have gold wherever you like.
I just thought it would fly away in the wind out here, so like maybe it's less mess for you to clear up, or otherwise you'll be pushing the hoover around again.
Never hoovering again, I told you that, not after you recorded me.
I'm really disappointed in how these have come out actually. Maybe the brush that I put the size on was too big because they look really messy. So I'm going to have to spend tonight touching them all up and make them look better than they do now.
Oh no, there goes your EastEnders and Coronation Street. Deary me. Oh, maybe not. Could always do it while you're watching.
So look, just brushing it all away.
Okay, the top part and that looks really good.
Well, from a distance, but if you go close up, don't even come close up because I'm really disappointed. And I've spent all morning doing these.
You Mrs. Perfectionist. Okay, in that case, I'll leave you outside in the breeze. Right, now the last of the bars is painted. I'll get that in today. The other one's in at the moment, but I need to get the framework that holds the bars in place, even though they're screwed into place. So we primed them up, or Carol's primed them up. I'm just going to pre-drill them. I'm actually going to screw them. I hate nailing things. I really, not a big lover of nails unless I really have to. So I'll pre-drill these, give them a little countersunk, and then we can sink them onto the doors. And then Carole will give them a paint afterwards, which she said is a lot easier than actually beforehand, but I'll let her explain what she's doing there. So let's crack on. Frames in, as you can see with the Dalmatian effect. Sorry, Carol's just going. We have Carol sunk the screws, then she can just fill over the top so nothing's seen, and fill in the gaps, which so I think you'll get it from up there. Because I'm putting the originals back, they were never absolutely mitre cut to be perfect, so they're pretty close. But at the time Carol's put the filler in and then painted them, you'll never know. So on to the next job. Final coat?
No.
What a difference.
In hindsight, I should have thought about it, and I didn't really think ahead.
It's because you don't think.
Oh, you're funny.
No, that's what you say to me
I
a lot.
should have painted the inside of this trim before you put them on the doors and then done the rest. Obviously I couldn't paint the entirety of the architraves because you were screwing them in.
Hold the phone, what did I say to you? I did say that, didn't I? Do you want to paint the insides?
Anyone remember him saying that? I don't. No, I don't remember him saying that.
That's because it wasn't on video. So you've just made yourself a little bit extra work.
I have. I'm using a children's paintbrush that I can throw away afterwards.
Oh, to do the insides?
Yeah.
Because you don't want to touch my gold.
And I'm not taping it up. Whose gold? Fool's gold.
Oh, fool's gold.
I'm not using tape because it'll take as long to tape up as it would for me to do this freehand.
And now in your luck, the tape will pull the paint off.
Can you imagine that?
No. So last night, while Carole was having a wonderful drink with the girls, she collected And I will show them later the
door
furniture that Roger has cleaned amazingly. He managed to get the sandblaster working really well, and they have come up a treat. So I'll show you those.
That's the reason for going to the pub.
That was the reason. Okay, so me collecting you in a wheelbarrow had nothing to do with it. Okay. So where are the furniture and what colour are they going to be?
Well, they're for the salon, so I presume they have to be sprayed gold.
Okay. Well, I'll go and find them.
But these are good, don't you think?
Good. They look amazing. They look great. And in fact, that is the icing on the cake. Now you finish the framework off in the same colour. Good job. Another job, I'd like to say finished. But I'm afraid it's back to the salon tomorrow. So as promised, these are the bits back from Roger, and as you can see, they look like new. It really has worked. I think there was less paint on these, which made a massive difference. But as I come in closer, you can see they are stripped every bit in outside and inside. So as Carole was saying, she's going to get them sprayed up gold with the bars as well that slide up and down in between the those bits, and then we can get them back on the doors, and hey presto.
We're not going to miss you in a hurry, are we?
Oh yes, I'm lit up like a traffic lights.
You look like you've been tangoed.
I've been tangoed by Kirk.
Hold on, let me zoom in on this.
Thank you, Kirk, by the way. I'm going to go run around the village and promote the chateau.
Hold on, your face is so ugly it's blurred the camera.
Oh dear, that's not a bad thing. So yes, thank you, Kirk. I will try the hat out and see if it helps me run quicker.
It's to keep you warm.
It's
so
warm.
Even your drink matches.
I'm
You're worse than a woman.
Wait till I'll be wearing my orange gloves next.
Socks?
Blue.
You need new trainers.
Black. I can't be totally orange.
Yeah, you look lovely, darling.
Thank you, darling. I'll be back in an hour.
Skyver.
Au revoir.
I have words for him which I can't say on film. It's not particularly a nice evening. It's really cold. I've been out painting the front doors. So I think he's lost his mind. So again, another big thanks, Kirk. I've just done the Strava 10k race, and the hat's working online. I think it's 5,253rd place, so I'm more than happy with that. So may the force be with me. So again, another big thanks. Did I hear you need my assistance again? No.
Oh.
Just to confirm what I already suspect. Right, so yesterday when I did the gold, I wasn't completely happy with it. Still need tidying up a bit. Anyway, before. Okay?
Yep. Oh, I like these before and afters.
After.
And you're going to say, can you spot the difference?
Can you spot the difference?
I probably wouldn't have done until you told me what you're going to do. Yes.
I think the gold down the edge there
definitely
makes a greater impact look than that.
Definitely, definitely. In fact, I'm going to come over across a bit more so people can see, but there is...
Can you see it?
Yes. I hope everyone's shouting at the screen and saying definitely gold edge, because I think that's the way to go, don't you? Well, I know why you're working in this room with the fire going. It's lovely. What are you doing?
I'm being precise. I'm putting my pediment up.
That's where my ruler went.
So I've made sure that that's level there.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm just making sure it's in the centre.
And if it's not, it's too late, because you glued it, haven't you?
It's still setting.
Okay.
How does it look? Oh, no, that's not in the centre there.
Left a bit, right a bit.
Ooh, yes, there. There we go. That's where it's going.
You've tweaked a few more bits, so I will show you the one above. If we look at the centrepiece, decided more gold.
Yeah.
And I agree, actually.
So that one's going there. Get these excess bits of glue off. Right, so that one's stuck now.
Okay.
So I need to put the one right at the top.
Yes. I think that looks good with the centrepiece in gold, actually.
I think so.
Yeah.
One right at the top, do the other side, and then fiddle around with those bits again.
Fiddle? What kind of word's that?
I've got holdings everywhere. Look, these are drying. They've got to be reshaped. That's what goes kind of there.
Oh, when you sort of gone round with your engraver getting the waste off. Yes.
Yes, so I'm just working on these bits and fill these cracks. Fill my cracks!
There you go. It will be very rewarding. You know it's a bank holiday today in France. Why are we working?
It doesn't matter what day it is, we work.
Yeah, actually I think we got the storms that the UK, well actually the Channel had, because they cancelled the ferry last night, it was so windy. So there's no point us going out, we'll carry on in here. Change your mind?
Yeah.
Is that a woman's prerogative?
Yeah, no, it's a Carole's prerogative. It was too low.
You stood back and thought,
So, here we go again. Second time lucky.
It's usually third time lucky, so bear with us everyone.
Right, so this time, where's my stick gone? I've lost my stick!
I've seen it, it's under, I've seen it, look darling, look, what's that?
Oh yeah.
Should have put your glasses on. Where are my glasses on your head?
Right, I'm going to stick that there this time, okay? Put more glue on it.
More?
And this time we're going to go... Ooh, there's a bit too much there.
Can I just remind you something before you stick it on?
It's going to go there, isn't it?
Where's my very accurate steel rule?
10.5, which is 5 1/4.
Oh, your maths is good.
Which is there. I'm just gonna, there we go, we can slide it. That is 10.2, so 5.1 is there. 1.5. Well, oh yes, right. There?
Well, I'm guessing, like I said, when you stood back,
You don't say higher.
it made...
Right.
No, you don't want to go too high because I think it will just...
Decisions.
Put that one up higher, and that's the only way to know. So, yeah, round there. Hey, why am I being the designer?
7.
7. Yeah, but you can't, can you just slide it up? You'll have a mess on the wall now. I think you have to stand back. You're too close to get an idea.
There. 5.4.
We're gluing again, are we? Okay, we're going to get both of these stuck up. They might be 5.5, 5.6. I've got no idea, Carole, but we'll show you in a minute. Well, an hour later, let's see what's happened. 5.4, 5.5, where'd you go? There. Let's have a look. That's fine.
Fine.
I think
Perfect.
another mil, but we'll let you have that one.
Right, okay, I'll try. There's progress in the utility room.
Yes, clearing.
There's not much left in here now, is there?
One sink, one washing machine. What on earth that is?
That's a tumble dryer we never use, so that might as well go upstairs.
Yeah, it should really, shouldn't it?
Anyway, Carole said, let there be light.
And there was oh, well, there you go. No problem with that one. look out. If only all jobs were that easy, eh?
You can actually see. Look
Do you know what?
Yes.
You know we're missing some fittings off the salon.
You're going to steal those ones?
I could probably steal them from there, yes. Yeah, because I'm not quite sure.
They don't look particularly nice though, do they? I'm sure you can work your magic. Anyway, open up the top ones, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Let's see how bright it gets.
Just see. There's probably no windows. Ah, these ones aren't as these. They've been actually nailed shut.
Oh, you're joking?
Hang on, bear with me. As always, use a hammer.
Question is, why have they been nailed shut? Let's find out and then nail them up again. Ooh.
Ugh.
That's grim.
Oh, that's why the old owner decided.
Bury a rat in there.
Let's just chuck a load of paper in there.
Oh, how about I get it all cleaned up and silicone it in? Yeah, I can see there's a big gap there.
Bit more than a big
Oh, I
gap.
can see there's daylight. I know.
Look.
I've noticed that window from outside isn't shut properly.
Yes, it's actually shut with a piece of bit of rope. Okay, well,
We can sort that. We've got some perspex we can put over the top temporarily, maybe, or just shut the shutters again.
it's fixable. We'll fix it. Let's see about the other one. Probably the same.
Ooh.
Hang on, we've seen worse.
I'm not sure I want to clean those. Might be a job for you. But already that's so much brighter. So without this door and this section here...
That's my next job, remove all that.
Can I get my hard hat on and help you?
Not working, nothing above my head. You don't... actually,
No, for the wall.
Put your Halloween mask on. Oh, you've got it on already.
Adrian.
Aww. Right. You want to help me, do you?
Not do that, I'm not.
Oh, what you help me with then?
To bash the wall down.
Oh.
Destruction. Let me out the salon.
You take it brick by brick.
Okay, call me when you're ready then.
Okay.